Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. Thank you for joining me today. This video I will show you how to draw realistic eyelashes and iris. So let's get started. A common mistake made by beginners when drawing eyelashes is drawing them straight instead of slightly curved. Eyelashes are not straight, they are slightly curved. To achieve a more natural look, I press the pencil at the base of the lash for a second, then release the pressure gradually as I draw outwards. Don't worry if drawing eyelashes seem difficult at first, because it happened to me when I started drawing eyelashes in the beginning. But with consistent practice, your drawing skills will naturally improve. Eyelashes are growing in various directions and usually overlapping each other. Try to be gentle and relax while drawing eyelashes. Remember, eyelashes naturally grow slightly curved to make your eyelashes look more realistic. Notice the length and thickness of each lash. Some lashes are long and thick, while others are short and thin. Just try to relax yourself. It depends on your practice and experience. Just relax yourself. In these eyelashes, you can see instead of pressing on the root of the eyelash, I simply draw a slightly curved. This method often results in a thicker middle section, which can make the eyelash look unnatural. At the inner corner, eyelashes here typically curve slightly inward towards the nose. From the inner corner, the curve gradually changes direction in the middle. They start to curve upward. This upward curve helps to open up the eye and give it a lifted look. As we move towards the outer corner, the curve changes. Once again, here the lashes often curve slightly outward towards the temple. I'm gently pressing the pencil at the root of each lash for a second, then releasing the pressure gradually. I'm using a softer pencil, so I need to be careful not to apply too much pressure because it produces lots of graphite. To make lashes look even more realistic, layer your strokes. Start with a base layer of light, feathery strokes, then add a darker, thicker strokes on top to create depth and dimension. Use a soft paintbrush to gently smudge the graphite, softening the edges of your lashes. This will give them a more natural look like real eyelashes. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your all kind of support, even just watching the video. See you in my next video. Bye.